in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your microphone is not working or being detected properly on your Toshiba laptop. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I'd make sure of is that your device is properly connected to your Toshiba computer. So unplug it, plug it back in if it's a corded connection. If not, you may just have to open up the search menu and type in settings. Go under that, should be the best result, and then select System. On the right side, select Sound, and then scrolling down underneath Input, make sure the volume is turned on and it's being detected here. You can also add a new device if it's not even showing up in this list, or if it is in the list, you can select the microphone and then turn up the input volume here. Make sure the format is correct. You may have to change that for whatever reason. And if audio is set to disabled or it's not working here and there's an allow option, you would select that. Since it says don't allow, obviously it means it's enabled right now, but if it was set to don't allow, and this is what it shows. So if it says allow, you would select allow, and that's pretty much all you need to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.